Hello everyone. This is not gonna be one that you see every day like that I currently make. Headsets. Okay, there. So, I'm gonna go into random public lobbies to see how bad it can get. First, I'm gonna try PvP and then no PvP. So, let's get right to it. Alright. 10 people. Let's see what this first server
During PvP. Dude, how do you get that mask? How do you get that mask?
Oh, I've already made a tutorial on it in YouTube, but you gotta go over there.
Wait.
I'm gonna be posting this video tomorrow.
So I'm just gonna grab this. I'm gonna grab this. We're gonna need some light. Let's go.
Where am I? Okay, I just saw it. Why is there?
Dude, come on. Flash brain.
Alright, you want me to come with you?
Yeah,
Oh.
come on.
Okay. Alright, so
Low-key flash brain in here.
you don't really you don't need the lights because they'll weigh you down. So I guess this is like a second tutorial for my channel. Make sure to go check out the original.
But I'm not pretty fast.
Are you coming?
I'm not pretty fast. I don't have.
There's also someone else here. It's someone who's beans.
Oh. I'm gonna diddle your.
I might have to.
Oh, I want some. I want one. I got the part section. You're gonna quad too. Yeah, bro, that's gonna work down.
You over here. Let's see. You doing that? Alright. Are you going?
Verity, where are you? I'm coming. Remember you.
Alright, zoom through here.
But you're Verity.
Not today. Yeah, no. Not today. Alright. So the mask is somewhere here, if I remember. Okay, first we gotta find it. I don't know where the mask is. I only made a tutorial on the shop. Oh yeah, the mask down there. The mask is down there. So right here, the mask is. No, not today. All right, then. Yes, I made it to the end. Then we're gonna go over this way because it's the best way to go. So, what? Where? Did he die? Did the person die? How did I take damage?
Everyone go to the very section.
I'm terrible at this game. I don't care how much hate you put in the comment section. Yeah. What about this? Bad away. There I go. Yeah, I'm terrible at this. Hold on. This is not expected to be in this video.
Everyone go to the very
Oh my.
section.
I'm terrible. So tired. Oh my. How? I just did this
Yeah, the
earlier.
dude that keeps launching me, I got an idea. I want you to hit me like straight up, not the side.
Alright.
Then I'm gonna come back down, I'm gonna try to stab somebody through the head.
I'm gonna do this.
Bro, that's... the water.
You're
Oh my god, bro.
here, if you didn't want to join, of course. Here, I'm gonna
Oh,
drop down here.
straight up this over the mountain.
You're gonna make the ship.
Oh,
Now you're out.
I got this? Yeah.
Is that all for this server?
I'm Captain Nick.
what do I kill?
I'm Captain.
Yes it is. Next server.
Anyone want to hire a bounty
I'm not
hunter?
safe zone. That a safe zone. But
Alright, it's time for the no PvP. Alright, let's see what this server has. Doesn't really look like much.
Yummy. Go stick this on your brain. Why that guy got no health?
It's the Cheeto ball.
I'm a potato. Why?
If you're a
My
potato, you
controller
need to
keeps
be
on
brown.
dying. I don't want to go back to handcuffs.
What is that?
Gosh, my neck is so.
What is that?
I'm really
What is
walking this thing.
What is that mech?
Gosh, let me out of here. This is prison.
This really is a weird server. I'm gonna go over here then. Oh, I see where all the stuff is coming from. What is all this? What is all this?
Nope.
What's up, bro?
Make sure they don't respawn.
Is this you?
Good. Yeah. Don't.
What is all this?
You need ammo?
Man, what are y'all doing in this crazy spawn? What are y'all doing?
Oh, what's this?
What are you guys doing? Is that a gun or is that like a controller or something? What do you have?
Great
Trying to get
idea.
over to something.
Great idea.
Gosh, my neck is so big. Why just screw up the gun? That's a cool build. Gosh, I can barely move in this thing. God, I think he did. Because his battery could have died or he got banned.
Yeah, I think his headset died.
No. Oh no. Oh no, it didn't. Never mind.
Oh crap.
No, reload them. Reload these.
Anyways, does anyone have
Who
some
wants
fans?
my
I have an
neck?
idea.
I just don't care anymore, so who wants the smack?
I'll take it.
I
I'll
do.
take
I
it.
do. I want this mech. I want the mech.
Okay, here we
I want
go.
the mech.
I'll give
Sorry,
you this.
called first dibs.
Oh,
Sorry, you
mech.
called first dibs these.
Yeah.
I call dibs. Dibs. Now I say dibs.
Okay, well he did first. He said I will, so.
Yeah, I'm the guy. I'm
Okay,
that
bro.
guy.
No.
Friend me and join me in a private, bro.
Alright, but
Wait,
this
I'll be
was
back.
this is not going according to
I'm not
plan of-
friending you.
You know what, instead I'm just gonna let this thing run loose. Whoever catches it first wins it.
Huh?
Bro. Instead I just drop the mech and let it be free.
This is so much fun. It looks like something straight out of Star
I don't know how
Wars.
I'm gonna grab
Look at this
this.
big old thing.
No.
Diamond.
No, give me it. Give me it.
No.
Yes. Oh, congratulations, bro. So it looks like Dibsy didn't win
Okay,
on this.
how do I put this on my back?
Put it on a crossbow and then put the crossbow on your back.
I don't have a crossbow.
Well, I have one in my hand. How do you think I put it on? Oh my God! I'll just get another one. I'll buy another one.
I'll buy another.
I'll buy another one.
That kid said he didn't win. And also maybe because he doesn't have a big wiener.
Yeah, next server. I'm going into one more server to
Okay, here you go,
end
bro.
this video. Alright, one more server. Why is there a gun here?
Yeah, but
Oh great, there's a mod in the server during mid-recording.
I'm gonna go build my own mech, so you know what?
Alright. Final server.
like a melody in my head that I can't keep.
Alright, this seems like a pretty normal server.
Yeah, smiley. Yeah, do you guys mind giving me the smiley face mask, please? Pretty please?
It's actually kind of hard.
It's all the way. It's pretty easy. Just get a bat.
A bag.
Wait, do you
Or
want to
bat.
see my flying motorcycle? Do
You
y'all
need a
want to see my
bat.
flying
You need a
motorcycle?
bat.
Okay.
Do y'all want to see my flying? You want to see my flying motorcycle?
This is the second time I've had to do this. Then you're gonna do all of this or have beans. You're gonna do this or you have beans to fart to do the parkour. Jump. Oh no. Jump. Jump. Oh, you're right behind me? Alright, come on. Oh no. Oh no. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yay. Alright, I'm coming. I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. I'm coming. You've had beans the whole time. You literally had beans the whole time. Anyway.
Ooh, I see it.
I'm pretty sure you have to climb over here, or you're just gonna get past this guy. I'm gonna do this. Well, I'm not taking the shortcut for now. That's why I said you need a bat or something. You're just gonna come up here. You right? Ow.
So you can hit them over.
You gotta go up here. You gotta make a run for it. Just like this. Jump! Actually, hold on. Jump! This will be my longest video that I've ever made. Including my Twitter account. Because everyone needs the mask and stuff. Yeah, we gotta go. Oh no. Oh, alright. Oh no. No! Oh. It's that simple. Oh my gosh. I'm actually terrible at parkour. Alright. To get the mask, you gotta go through here. Watch out on both sides. Climb up here. Get up, get up. We gotta go. We gotta go. Alright. It should be like really close. Oh. I'm terrible at that. You can go get the mask because I've already showed people it in this video. Stop, I'm dead. If I mess up, I'm dead. Alright. And you're gonna go here, like I said earlier. Like that.
Oh my god.
Alright, you were just
I
in a
died.
video, so
Oh, that's cool.
yeah, I don't think it'll get much views, but alright, do you wanna add me? Or are you good?
Sure.
Alright.
Which one's you? Okay.
For some reason it says you're not in the server. Alright, I'm gonna go into my code now and tell everyone. I don't have 2 pets. Alright. Which is my username. Alright, so that was all for today. Remember, like, subscribe, leave a comment for another video, and bye.